One,
Yes, sir.
well, welcome to our Boom and Crash weekly analysis. As I talked to you earlier, we have already reached a final zone for this crash, 1,000 at this level. So market has reached a base support level. So now I'm anticipating a double bottom confirmation going up, but I'm yet to see a confirmation. So let's go down to our weekly chart and see what we have to offer from there. You can see, please, whose background is noisy, please. Okay, you can see market is rejecting this level. So probably let's mark our highs and lows for last week. Okay, for this week. So you see, these are the highs and these are the lows for last week. You can see this is where the market has been dancing from here down to here. So now, since market is as a base, look at it. Since market is as a base support level here, we may look forward for a confirmation, breakout, or rejection at this level. So we are looking for a candle. The way this 4-hour start candle reject this level, it seems like definitely market is going to act at this level. I'm talking about this zone. Market will act at this zone. So you see, because this is a good demand zone area, the market is producing a rejection at this level. You can see the rejection here, very big rejection. So now we are going to wait for a confirmation from the 4-hour chart and daily chart for going long. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm still holding this trade. As far as market did not break below this low, let me zoom it out so that you can see. As far as market did not break below these lows, I'll look for buy entry coming back here to retest this area before another downward movement coming. This is my current analysis with crash 1000 index. Possible buy signal up to this level, then I will wait for a confirmation rejection. The way market rejects this area, because this is a typical trend line rejection. If you can look at it, this is a typical trend line movement. So market bounce here. Anyway, let me clear everything. Market bounce from here, reach this level, bounce off, come down to retest this area, bounce up again, come down in order to retest the area, but manually broken this area. So there was a break of trend line at this level. Look at it. This is the trend line channel. So since this trend line break, we'll wait for market to either retest this level or retest this level before we continue going lower. So market need to either push down from here or push up to that level, full down again. These are the two scenarios for crash 1000. So possibly me myself, I will exit this my trade. I will exit this trade because I've been holding it for a long time now. You can see way downward. So you can see the trade is still running. $2,730 on single entry. And you can see this one. Then let's move to crash boom 1000. Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's move to boom 1000. You can see boom 1000. I have already bought this market since day before yesterday when this market closed at this level.
Yes, yes.
So Since the day where market closed at this level, this red candle is telling you indecision. Indecision. And immediately the candle closed, I waited for market to go and close above these highs. That's what I did that day. Let me show you.
Okay.
Immediately market closed these highs. Look at it. You can see immediately after that level, I was able to capture my trend going off what? So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. So for this pair, I'm anticipating a wrong rally back up to this level. Let's use 4 hours chart. You see, this market might rally up to this level before it finds resistance. Probably they'll push it back to this level or back up to the lowest level here.
So we can get a second entry?
No, even if you will get second entry, you have to wait for a pullback, because look at it now. Currently, the market is rejecting this area because it's touching the what? Which moving average is this? I think it should be, let me check.
They look like
Black
the
moving average. This
50
black moving
moving
average.
average.
No, I don't think so. No, I'm not supposed to share you the settings of this strategy. Let me stop. I don't know, but I think it should be black moving average. It should be 50 moving average, I think. It should be 50 moving average. So you see the market, because initially the market has crossed its lay here. And that's why the market rallied down. So the market is still retesting this moving average for the first time. Market is still rejecting this level. So even if I will buy again, I will have to wait for market to rally back into this area. Then I'll buy again in target of these highs. Probably broken this level will target the last highs. Because market was forming something like head and shoulder here, inverted head and shoulder. You understand? So this will look like a shoulder for this market. This level will look like a shoulder. So market, this is like higher highs, because this is higher low, this is higher low, and this is higher highs. And let me show you something. Since market was able to, this is higher low, sorry, this is higher low, market break these highs, and then we're looking for another higher buy, which may break this level and target these highs. Please, are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
If you can even look at it from our strategy, even the levels from the MACD has changed direction here. The whole of this area, you see. So the MACD is trying to trade above zero level now. That's what the MACD is trying to do. Look at it. You see? Look at it.
Where is the zero level now?
This
On
is
the
the
macro.
zero level from the MACD. Let me show you. This is the zero level.
Oh, you zoomed in.
Sorry, excuse me. This is the zero level here. You can see 0.00 level. This level here.
Okay.
That's the zero level on the MACD. And you see, market is trying to go above the MACD now. So are you following me?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Following
So
you, sir.
for crash 1000, for crash 1000, for crash 1000, please look for buys. Let's target these highs before any possible, because definitely confirm there was a breakdown on this crash 1000 yesterday. There was a breakdown here. This was a break of structure. This is a
Sir,
breakdown.
sir, excuse me, we are talking about boom 1000.
You said? I say for boom 1000, for boom 1000,
Yes, sir.
only look for buys this week. Let's target these highs or these
Yes,
highs that we just broken.
okay, sir.
We are
For
just going
boom,
to look for
we
uptrend.
have we have to go for buy this week.
Yes, this week look for buy signals only.
Okay, sir.
And for boom and crash?
For boom 1000, look for possible buy signal in order to retest this breakout. For crash 1000, look for also buy signal, because as I told you, for crash 1000, market has already reached our target here, our optimal zone here. So you see, so market is trying to form a possible way up, retest this area before it can continue down the trend. The market is typically in a downtrend, but it will hurt this market to break this low, this level. So the only scenarios that might happen, market to push down back off here, then look for possible sell signal. Probably the next downward movement will break this low and market may continue going lower. Did you understand my point now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Crash 500. Let's check our weekly market analysis. Sorry, my network is bad here. Raja, you will send me network from India.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Raja and Ronaldo should send me network from India
Hello?
and why are you Ronaldo? I forget your place.
Jamaica.
Jamaica, cool, Jamaica. I just met with someone from your place last week and he bought my strategy. Well, market is approaching a strong level. Anytime market is approaching a strong level, that's when you'll start seeing uh what is it called? The
A week.
rejections weeks like this. So this market has formed a what? A confirmed candle
Double bottom.
price action rejection. Probably would, if you go to the lower time frame, since this is a weekly chart, this will identify us a confirmed double bottom. So market is still coming back to that place and still reacting to this zone. So for crash 500, I will also look for buy signals, because I always target my buys at support, even though it's a weak support, but I'll consider my reversal confirmations, candlestick analysis, and other features that will may help me to cap out my possible reversal. Even this market may continue to go down, but it need to retest this area, because the market is retesting this support level for the first time after it break out, or after it rebounds, sorry. So you understand my point clear?
Yes.
So that's that about that. So Mr. Raja,
Yes, yes, yes.
uh, you can see I already aligned the levels. You can see this level. You can
Okay,
see.
sir. It have formed a double bottom.
Yeah, this is a confirmed double bottom because it's a weekly chart. We can see it from a larger area, and this is
Hmm.
another rejection at this level, because the reason for this rejection is for the market to tell you that there is a very strong level at this area, and that's why all these last four candlestick, look at them, all the last four candlestick, look at them here,
Yes.
all the
Full
last four
candle.
candlestick have rejected that area,
Hmm.
which is a very, very good sign of strength. For
Hmm.
market to reject area for more than 4 weeks, almost a month, market is is rejecting a level. It's a very strong scenario that market may possibly, but by this week, we should look for a possible reversal, probably at this level, going to these highs. If market was able to break these highs, then possibly we're looking for this level. This will be my next long-term target. But the market needs to what? The market needs to push down. The market needs to push up here. Probably got rejected small. Come back, retested this area, form something like a base support. Then go back up, break these highs, and continue going upward. For crash 500, this should be my next potential target. But if the market breaks below this low, I'll put 200 pips as my stop loss. So if market breaks this lows, I will exit my trade. Because if this market breaks this low, that means market invalidate our decision of having this award as a double bottom, right? Mr. Raja, are you with me?
Yes, sir, I am with you.
Okay. So if markets truly reject or break this low, it's very simple to understand that, okay, this market is still going down to next possible support level. So I'll just allow the market to pull back either in this area or this area, because the market must surely pull back. Because look at the trend. Look at this trend. Look at this trend. Very huge trend. Sorry, please. A minute. Look at this trend, a very long trend. So market to at least retest this level, 50% retracement level. At least 50% retracement.
Yes.
And if you have that, we are good to go. So let's move to the last one, which is Boom 500. Boom 500, I just gave a signal today. Boom 500 is almost the same scenario. I'm going to use only, let me mark out my highs for the last week. This level. Or let me mark the highs. So let me go down to the daily chart. So you see, this is to tell you that, let me check since when. You see, this pin bar you are seeing at this level, this pin bar. So since the market reject this level at the level where this pin bar is, market come back to this level, reject it again, also reject it again. But what? Market has been forming highs. What are these things? These are lower highs. Lower high. This one is a little bit lower high than the other level. And this is what? This is high, higher high, and another higher high. Something like this. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now we are looking for the market to come and retest these highs. If it breaks these highs, it will continue the trend. That's the truth. But if market still got rejected and come back to this level again, if market retests this area, we'll still look for possible buy up to this level. So right now in your presence, I will put my buy stop order at 45.14. My buy stop order. A minute, please.
You just like
I will put my buy stop and buy limit order. Let me show you where my orders will be. My number one order, my buy limit order will be at this level. Immediately market tap 45.10. I'll buy 45.10. Buy. You see, this is my buy limit order. So I'm telling the market that if price retests this area again, the market should buy for me. And if if the market breaks these highs, 46.94. Let me put it 46.94. A minute, please. 46.94. Let me put it 47. 47. Then I will put what? Buy stop order at what? 47 level. So you can see this is where my orders will be. So this is what I'm telling the broker to do for me. If market continue higher and breaks this level, I'm buying the market. If market come down lower and retests this area, I'm looking forward buy off to this level.
what if it what if it activates the buy stop at the top and then comes all the way down?
If it activates the buy stop at a time, remember I'm a scalper, so I'm always watching my market and looking for possible directions that my market might go. So I don't have problem with that because I'm 200% sure I'm going to be watching my market, because even as of now for this buy order, this is why I suppose put my stop loss here. Sorry, please. This is why I should put my stop loss at this level, below this low, either 180 or below that low. Because if market break this low, definitely it will hit this level, probably even this level, in order to gather liquidity before it show a very strong wick to the upside and the market will continue going like this.
Okay.
But currently the market is above the 50 moving average, so the medium term trend is uptrend.
Mm.
The medium term trend for crash boom 500 is uptrend, because typically market is above the 200 the 50 exponential moving average. And from the point of perspective with respect to structure, we have lows here, we have lows here, we have another lows here, we have highs here, we have highs here. So we are waiting for next high in order to validate our higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs.
So So is it safe? So
So
it will be
boom
safe to buy
500,
now?
boom 500. Please look for buys opportunity because the market is currently in a medium short term of trend. Simple. So I think that's all for now, and I will exit this meeting now because I have a lot of things to go and do. Plus, I'm going to upload this video tonight. So please, if you have time, you can just go through it on your own with respect to the recap. As I told, crash 1000 and crash 500. You can also look for all buy signals. Let me show you. All look for buy signals, as I said. Crash 1000 and boom 1000 all look for buy signals. You see market react to this level, we're heading toward upside. That's for what? Boom 1000. Boom
Where is your buy?
1000.
Where's your buy stop for crash 1000?
I can't give any buy stop order for crash 1000 and crash 500. That will only be for my BIP members. This is just a normal free recap out what our body should expect from the market next week. But for those that are my VIP group, I'm very, very sure I'll give them more than enough signals in order to capture the trend. And for, sorry, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000. Look for buy signal. Look for buy signal. I think that's that for today. I'm going to end this session now. Nice to have you. See you in my next live session with you. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Bye. Please, before I go, anybody with any other question, I want to answer only one question before I go, please. I want to answer only one question from someone.